Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So let's increase our knowledge today. Shortcuts keys of Microsoft Excel. First, Control plus Enter fills the selected cells with the current entry. Second, Control plus Space bar selects the entire column. Third, Control plus Shift plus Space bar selects the entire worksheet. Fourth, Control plus Home move to cell A1. 5. Control plus Add move to last cell on worksheet. 6. Control plus Tab move between two or more open Excel files. 7. Control plus Shift plus Tab activities the previous workbook. 8. Control plus Shift plus A inserts argument names into a formula. 9. Control plus Shift plus F opens the drop down menu for fonts. 10. Control plus Shift plus O selects all of the cells that contain comments. 11. Control plus Shift plus P opens the drop down menu for point size. 12. Shift plus Insert paste what is stored on the clipboard. 13. Control plus Shift plus F6 moves to the previous worksheet window. 14. Control plus Shift plus F12 print the current worksheet. 15. Shift plus Home highlights all text to the left of the cursor. Thank you for watching the videos.